Hi, I'm Lion with ScreenerKing, and the number one question I get is, will your screens fit my screener or sifter? If you've got a Sweco or Kason, the answer is yes. If you have another major North American manufacturer's unit, the answer is most likely yes. If you've got overseas equipment made in Asia or Europe, it's very important that you measure the screen or your sifter and compare it against the specifications on our website to determine that it will fit. All of our screens are built to nominal dimensions. That's what we call them. In this case, this is a 24-inch screen. But if you measure it from the glue surface to the glue surface, this is the part that's designed to fit inside the frame, you're going to see it's actually a little bit less than that. In this case, a little over 22¼ inches. What some people will do incorrectly is measure the screen lip ring to lip ring, which is a wider dimension. That's going to add about an inch, so just over 23¼ inches. But what's really important is whether or not the screen is going to fit inside your frame from here to here. That's the important measurement. We've got all the specifications on our website of exactly what our rings measure to, and you can compare your screen against ours to confirm it will fit. If you don't have a screen handy that you can measure, and all you've got is the frame from your unit, it's real easy to just stretch a tape across it on the inside diameter, get it firmly against one side, and then you're going to want to swing your tape measure and watch until you find the widest dimension, right at 22¼ inches. If you're having any questions, any problems, call me, send me pictures, we can FaceTime, we'll figure it out. We're here to take care of you.